So we should get the assay results from these first few holes coming back from February, but we're expecting to finish the program probably towards the end of March, beginning of April.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Cobra CEO Adam Wooldridge. Adam, very good to speak with you, and more positive news from the company as the year draws to a close. Results from the first completed exploration hole on your Ngami copper project, and it looks pretty encouraging.
Absolutely. Thanks, Stephen, and good to talk again. Yeah, so this first hole is actually part of a larger program. We're busy drilling 4,800 meters of diamond drilling. The real bulk of the meterage will be used bringing our Comet target into JORC category. So that will represent about 10% of the total exploration target. So the total exploration target's in excess of 100 million tons at 0.5%. We want to bring the first 10% into category. But to start the program off, we wanted to put a couple of holes along strike into an area we haven't tested before. So it's real blue sky. And I think it adds a lot of value to getting a feel for what else is out there and what extra potential you could add to the Ngami Copper project in general. So 2 extra holes, we centered them around a really interesting airborne gravity gradient anomaly. What we see more and more in the Kalahari Copper Belt is wherever you see these gravity anomalies in the footwall, they somehow seem to be concentrating fluid flow, and you often see deposits associated with the sides of these. So we've drilled a couple of holes adjacent to, well, we've started with the first hole adjacent to this airborne gravity anomaly, and we've had really compelling mineralization. And I think quite importantly, this is 7.5 kilometers along strike from our Comet target. So it just demonstrates the strike length continues. It's much bigger system, and we've got a lot more potential along strike for new deposits. We're busy doing another follow-up hole, which is about to finish 2 kilometers further along strike. And if that comes through positively, it will demonstrate that we've got another system of the same scale of our Comet target along strike. And then we'll come back and we'll do our infill drilling. So I think a really encouraging start from an exploration point of view. Just demonstrating the size of the system and the fact that there's still a hell of a lot of blue sky and open potential on this project.
How long would you expect this? You mentioned 4,800 meters of diamond drilling planned. How long would you expect that to take, Adam?
So we should get the assay results from these first few holes coming back from February. But we're expecting to finish the program probably towards the end of March, beginning of April. And then we'll go into a resource modeling phase and then release that again shortly afterwards.
Okay. So, you'll obviously keep us updated on those results as they come through.
Absolutely. Yeah. Really, really good start. Really looking forward to next year, and always great to be drilling again.
Great. Well, I'm sure we'll be chatting to you again very soon. Adam, thank you very much for the update today.
Brilliant. Thank you, Stephen.
That's Cobra CEO Adam Wooldridge.